This is the rainbow cleaning system. I've had people tell me that I'm crazy for how much I pay for it. Most people speak without having knowledge, but I digress. As you can see, it's on right now. As I'm talking to you and I'm changing attachments, I'm having it set on just circulating in the air. And so what's happening right now is it's sucking mold, bacteria, massaging the air and then pulling it into the basin there. Okay. Now, keeping in mind, I just did the floor in here in the kitchen. It isn't about, oh, it's clean, look how clean it is, because I've seen so many places that have been cleaned, but it's the unseen, okay? The unseen. That's what more of us need to focus on. What, the chemicals, bye-bye, no, just covering up. Plugins, sprays, covering up. This actually sucks it all out of the air. I'll give you an example. I just started doing the kitchen floor and I barely have done the rugs yet. So I'm gonna turn this off because I'm gonna show you already with just a very brief entry, and I'm just getting started, okay? I'm just gonna give you the progress. Look at this. See all that in the water? Just getting started. Wait till you, and then I'll change it about halfway. I change it often, and I'll be showing you as I go. Wait till you see what comes out of this carpet. I've done this with carpets that have been professionally cleaned. I come in with my machine, and no, they're not professionally cleaned. It's surface cleaning. When I clean, I get what you don't see that's affecting your lungs. This is from doing a kitchen floor and a living room only. And I'm getting ready to dump it for round 2, which is stairs and upstairs bedrooms. There's the water coming out. And then, here's what's left. Look at that. Look, all of that came out. Isn't that beautiful? All that. You're not going to get that from a Dyson or any other vacuum. This is a water. Water. All right. Second part of the house. And look at that. Here we are again. Oh, God. That is what is unseen that comes out. Not in your air. It doesn't blow back in the air like with filters. This water sucks it in, and that is it, my friends. This is what this system will take out of your environment for the good of your health.